Hello, how are ya? I'm back with another crochet video. I'm gonna do something a little different this time. Kind of, sort of, not really. I'm using the Freetress Cuban twist hair. It's a Marley hair. It's 12 inches and it's the color 99J. That's how the package looks. You can see it. So, out of the pack, this is what it looks like. Like I said, it's Marley hair, so it comes in the individual pieces, which I'm really going to enjoy because I hate separating hair. I think these pieces are too big, so I'll probably split them in half. Yeah, I'm going to split them in half. Okay. So this is going to make doing my hair a lot easier because this is a very coarse texture of hair, so I don't think it'll take much knotting to get this to stay in. Yeah, okay. Ugh. So when I separate it, that's how the pieces look. So yeah, I'm gonna separate it just once. That's enough. Then after I install it, I'm going to curl it and dip it in hot water. And I've had a few people who send me messages saying that I should dip it before I install it. For me, dipping hair is not that difficult, so I have never burned myself. The closest I've come to it was when I tried to do the synthetic hair on camera, which I knew I shouldn't have did anyway because I couldn't see very well on the camera. But other than that, I have never had a problem burning myself. And I think when you dip it after it's in your hair already, you have more control over how the curl is going to be. If you curl it beforehand, you use whatever kind of curl you get. Once it's in my hair, I can kind of mold it to shape my face the way I wanted it to be. So that's pretty much the reason why I don't dip it beforehand. So I like that this came in 12 inches because I don't have to cut it. And I think once I curl it, it'll get a little bit shorter, but it's a good length as it is. So I'm gonna get started, do a few braids, and I'll come back and show you how I'm knotting it. Like I said, with this texture of hair, I'll probably do the most basic knot. So I will be back. Super hard. So let me go ahead and do another braid for you so you can see, hopefully. So I just grab the hair like this. You need to pull it taut so that you can have a small enough space. I've seen people even twist it. I'm not going to do that though. But pull it taut, and I hold mine between my thumb and my first finger, and then I secure it with the other fingers. So, and you take the needle, and when you're working on the, depending on if you're right or left-handed, when you work on your left side, you go down like this. When you work on the right side, it's easier to go up through the braid like that, if you're right-handed like me. So I pinch off, and I go on the outside of my fingers to have one finger width space, and then I just slide that onto the hook. Close the hook and pull it through. Grab your loop, stick the hair through, and pull. And like I said, technically you could leave it just like that. It is not going anywhere. Believe me, it will not. I've seen some people who actually like to wear theirs like this. If you like to wear yours like that, leave it. It's good just like this. If you want to comb it or anything and want a little extra security, just do that one knot, and that's all you need. Done. So this hair is very quick and very easy to install. Which one am I on now? Alright. Now, when I get to the edges of my hair, because I said that this hair is kind of bulky, I rip it into fours. So one of these I'll take 4 pieces of hair out of, because I don't want my edges coming out, and I'm not trying to pull a big gigantic piece of hair through where my edges are. Where's my needle? Oh, okay. So for this last one, again. I'm going to come down, and I'm coming pretty close to the edge. I'm going to take that and slide it right on the needle. Close it, pull it through. Did I close it? Oh crap, I didn't close it. Okay, let me try that again. Make sure you close the needle. Okay. Alright, so just slide it on. Close the needle like I did not do before, then pull it through. And pull it through the loop, slide it, and then make your one knot. And you're done. That's it. So I'm finding it easier. Oh my gosh, it's so hot. Ooh, did that one a little too tight. I'm finding it easier to work from the back with this hair because it's so big and puffy. I can't really see what I'm trying to do like this, and I don't want any other hair hanging in the way. So I'm actually working from back to front with this Marley here. Finding the braid, sliding my hand all the way down to where the last bit is braided to my scalp, and then I just go ahead and put the needle in and grab hair. This hair has these little twists on the end. You see them? And I work those out first, probably just to make sure the hair doesn't get tangled. And then I think it's better to rip it from the middle out. And like I said, gather it, pull it taut so you can have this somewhat smaller. And the needle just fell out my head. Okay, so follow the braid all the way to the back. Insert your needle. Put it through the hook. Pull it through. Let go. Open up the loop. Put the hair through and slide it closed. Stop there or go ahead and make one knot. And you're done. So I'm going to finish up, and I'll be back when my hair is all installed. Ooh, itches. Okay, see you soon. Do you see this hair? Okay, so I have my section of hair. I'm gonna start with these white rollers and show you how I'm going to curl it. So I'm going to start at the very top of my hair and the very end of the curling rod, right by where the plunger comes out. So starting from the top, and I'm going to do this as tight as I can around the roller and go down it. Started a little closer to the root, but there it is. One down, 100 to go. Okay, so got the next one that I brushed out, and just like before, I'm starting at the very top and working my way down. Alrighty. So got those two done. Now I'm gonna do the rest of my hair. Oh, this is terrible. You know, I never show. Let me tell you, I started out with 12 braids going straight to the back. I wanted 10, but somehow it turned out to be 12. I'm not sure how that happened, but whatever. So let me turn real quick because I've not even looked at the back of this yet. I'm too scared. But I'm going to show it to you. All right, here's the back. Oh, Lordy. All right. So I am Shaka Khan. So let me finish rolling this garbage, and I'll probably go ahead. Well, no, I'll come back and show it when it's all rolled, and then I'll go for the dip. See you soon. Howdy ho. Okay, so it took me forever, but I have it all rolled up. And you can see the little spirally rolls. I will show you the back, which I haven't seen yet. I hope it's okay. This hair is just awful. I don't know if it's gonna turn out okay. I hope it does. While I was brushing it, the hair started breaking off, and I don't mean it sliding out of the knot shedding. It was breaking off like from the bottoms. After brushing my whole head of hair, I got this. Crazy. That's a lot of hair. Woo. Not to mention what's still in my floor that I have to vacuum up. I don't know. I just can't really say anything good about this hair so far except for the color. I like the color. Other than that, I don't know. I'll have to wait and see how it looks when it's finished. What I'm going to do after I dip it, I'm not going to take the rollers out until tomorrow morning. I'm going to go ahead and sleep in these and take them out tomorrow right before I go to school because of the problem I had with the synthetic Kanekalon hair that I had before. When I unrolled it, it was beautiful. It was so pretty. And then after I slept in it the next day, it was horrible. So if this hair messes up, I'm at least going to get one good day out of it before I yank it out of my head and start all over. So that's about it, really. I'm going to go ahead and start dipping it. So many rollers. As you can see, I used a whole bunch of different colors. Ugh. See how it turns out. I'll be back tomorrow, either before I go to school or after I get home. Either way, we'll see together how it looks. See you then. Hello, so I am back with my hair. It's finished. Now I have to say, I don't like it, but this morning I hated it. But since then, the curls have fallen some and it's a lot better than it was this morning. But I'll tell you why I hate it, because I hate this hair. This hair is just horrid. It is so hard and brillowy, and this is from me sleeping with the rollers in. Like I said, I wasn't taking the rollers out, so I am scared to see what it's gonna look like when I do sleep on it without any rollers in it. Some of the curls have already fallen out. There's one like here that I just twisted because the curl is just completely gone out of that. So I twisted it up so it wouldn't be this puffy here. I wish you could see this hair. Like, really. You have to feel it to know what I'm saying. It's just very bad hair. But I guess after my little fiasco with the last hair, I just don't want this big puffy hair anymore. It's not what I was hoping it was gonna look like. I'll show you the back. But I don't know. So It's not what I was hoping for, but it's not as bad as it was this morning. This morning I was about to cry. It was so horrible. So who knows, maybe with time it would settle more and it would be even nicer, but I can't wait for that, so it has to go now. And just to let you know, the color, oh wait, let me go in the sun a little bit. Wait, does that work? No, that's too much sun. Okay, the color of it does not come through on this video. It's much redder than comes through on the video. And I do like the color. I want to keep the color. So I'm getting ready to take this out because I don't like it. I hate this hair. Just, oh, it's horrible. The feel of it is just horrible. And I'm going to put some other hair in that is the same color. But I can't keep this. So you decide for yourself. I know some people are gonna like it and say, oh, you hate everything, blah blah blah. Well, you know, you don't have to wear it. I do. So if I hate it, I hate it. If you like it, good for you. I'm very happy. You can try it out. You'll see what it'll turn out to be. But me personally, I don't like it, so I'm not gonna keep it. So I will probably, depending on when I load this video up, I probably will have one right beside it coming, because this is coming out right now and I'm going to get started on the next hair. So let me know what you think about the hair, nothing else. And I'll see you with the next video.